Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put different page color on different page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put a different color on different page. Go to the page design menu. Then click the background option and go to more background. Then click the solid option and change the color. Now I select this orange color, then click OK. Then go to the another page and apply the same process but change the color. Now we can see we put a different page color in different page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.